It looks like an impossible puzzle, but it's actually just a clever layout trick. Here's how it's done. First, line up a steel ruler with your central block and mark your reference lines across the wood panels. Next, use a spacer piece to step down and duplicate that exact angle, connecting the intersections to map out the perfect cut lines. Mark the waste areas, slice away the excess wood, and watch them slide together for an absolutely flawless, satisfying fit.